Well, hello guys, welcome back to another DIY video. My name is Jamila Dora. Thank you for clicking to watch this video. If you're new, welcome, and if you're a returning subscriber, hi. So today's video, it's another DIY video, as you can see and tell. Today I'll be sharing with you guys how to make another Dilka shower gel. This is very simple, easy breezy, simple ingredients. What makes this different from the other ones that I have on the channel, you're going to find out. So let's just get right into this video, but please, I have a little plea for you guys. Kindly follow me on my Instagram page. It's gonna mean a lot to me if you do so. Let us move this community from YouTube to Instagram, and let's continue to grow on all platforms. So let's get into this video. So guys, to get started we need oil. So the first oil I'm going to be using here is avocado oil. This is the regular cooking and baking oil, and it's 100% pure cold pressed avocado oil. Avocado is great for moisturizing the body and almost 100% non-comedogenic, so you're sure that there is limited tendency of it clogging your pores. And because we're making a soap based dilka today, so here is unscented shower gel body wash base, and this is pure glycerin oil, 100% pure glycerin oil, and this is also just to be able to help lock moisture on the skin. Since this is going to be a body wash, we don't want anything that is going to strip off moisture from our skin. I have Arabian musk here because this is Arabian inspired, so this is 100% fragrance oil that is Arabian musk scented. I'm almost running out of it. In addition to the oils that we need today, I'm going to be using this vitamin E oil. As always, you guys know I love vitamin E. In addition to adding scent to this, I'm going to be using frankincense oil. If I had the resin, I would have used that, but this is the essential oil. It's not as sensitive as some of our regular essential oils that burns the skin. So for the dry ingredients, we have the star of the show, which is the Dilka Dilke powder. This is already processed Dilka. This one is made from cherry seeds. Some in Nigeria is made from peanuts base, but depending on what you really have, it's fine. Dilka, it's not really one kind of ingredient, like mandated ingredient base, you know, but you just have to also be very cautious of what you use for it. This is also heavily fragranced or scented already, because it has sandalwood chip, it has the frankincense, it has a lot of it has very simple ingredients that has made it so scented. It has cloves. Let me not just give all the secret, but yeah, this is original dilka, dry dilka that you guys are really not used to seeing on this channel, and this is what is going to be the core part of today's DIY. You guys know that I love to do things that would protect our skin. Carrot is very rich in vitamin A, as you all know, and that is why we are going to be having carrot powder in this today, because it's going to help protect our skin from free radicals. This is real carrot powder, and it's going to serve as the antioxidant for this, and more like a sunscreen benefit to this DIY today. So we are going to get to mixing in a short while. Before I get started, I just want you guys to know that you can always switch up your ingredients. I already have a soap based dilka on my channel, but that one, again, I did say that you cannot use it on your face and all that, but this one that I'm making here today is something that is very safe for both body and for face use. So make sure you clean your bowl. This is my bowl, I love this bowl. No, it looks very traditional, and that is why I love it. So I'm just going to station it. And also I have my immersion blender. Everything here is already clean and sanitized, you know, for today. Make sure you always do that for every DIY you make at home. I always have these Lysol hand wipes. This is a disinfecting wipes. It promises to clean, to kill bacteria 99.9%. So I'm just going to use it to reclean my hand because I've touched things surface. So make sure your hand is well clean, even though my fingers are not looking their best today, because after this I am going to put my finger in order. But so I don't show you guys ashy hands today. You guys remember my body butter that I made, the sunflower one? This is the one I have for my filming room. So to get started, we are going to begin to measure out our wet ingredients, and I'm going to use a standard 1 cup measuring for everything that we are going to use, except for the micro ingredients that is going to have 2 tablespoons, but the macro ingredients like this, the oil, is going to be 1 cup, because I want this to be really loose body wash, not that thick soap consistency. So, and I want it to be really moisturizing, because it's, for me, if I'm going to do this, it's going to be the only body bath that I'm going to use, because there are times when I would like use a different soap then before I use my Dilka. But if I'm going to use this, I'm going to just use everything at once. So I'm going to use 1 cup of the soap as well. And it's easy, you don't have to do one thing before another and before another, you know, you can just have all your ingredients straight into your bowl and, you know, just mix. So the next thing I'm going to be adding is the glycerin, and I'm going to be adding 2 tablespoons of this. And for the Arabian musk, it's not much, you know, just very little that you need. I don't want it to be too scented, artificially scented, since I already have the Dilke. So this is just about half teaspoon that is going in here. And also because I'm going to use this on my face, so have to be careful. And for the frankincense, I'm going to have about 20 drops. And the smell of the frankincense is so amazing. So you're just going to mix this with our spoon, and this process is actually called saponification. The mixture of oil and soap base, you see how it quickly turns into a cream consistency. So if I want to solidify this and make it solid, I actually also can, like, have a mold, put the hardening or leavening agent, or as it's called, and you know, you can actually bath with this without anything else, because this is soap on its own. Like, this is bathing soap on its own. Like, all I need to do is add color if I don't want it to be white like this. So now I'm going to go in with our carrot powder. I'm just going to add about let's say 2 tablespoons. So this is like a 1 teaspoon measure, so I'm just going to add like 4 of this in here. This is again body wash on its own. So this is one layer. We can smoothen this out with our immersion blender, and we have a carrot bath soap here, and we are good to go. But because I've got my vitamin E oil, so yeah, let's quickly add that so we don't forget. Honestly, with this Dilke now, it's almost as if I've just eyeballed what I added, but it's supposed to be 2 tablespoons, and you see, so this like takes the whole stress of that one that I made the last time, you know, with the fresh ingredients, you know, like the carrot was fresh, the sweet potato was fresh, everything was fresh, like freshly made, you know, before bringing it to this stage, because everything in that one is the exact same thing that is in here, only that it's this one was smoked. That is the right word. This one was like smoked, and instead of lentil beans powder in this, what this has is cherry seeds. This is good. So now let's get to blending. This looks like fura. If you've ever taken fura, let me bring it up close for you guys to see. Fura, let me not even fura, like dambu fura, and no. My immersion blender is from Home Gig. I love it so much. I also have my blender for the house is also Home Gig, and it's really nice and very good quality. So we're going to start slowly. So I want to test it to see if I have enough oil in it. So I'm not going to go start washing my hand right now, but what I'm going to do is take some of it, rub it on my arm, and see how much sheen it leaves off on my skin compared to this. You guys know I'm always going to create comparison. Now is the oil level. I'm trying to see if I have enough, and you can see that this does not have oil, this does not have it, and this has it, and I can see the sheen like this. When I stand up, I'll go and rinse my hand. But yeah, I'm going to add a little bit of avocado oil just to eyeball little, but I mean it's okay if you want to leave it at that. You're still getting the same good value, and you see the difference just by massaging it and scrubbing a little bit on my hand. So I just want you guys to see, I always want you guys to see immediate difference and value and use of my DIYs anytime I make something, so that please try it out, share with your friends, and I actually am able to deliver. So if you want this, it is very possible to get it delivered to you. Just send me a DM within the US and outside of the US as well. It takes roughly 2 weeks for it to be ready. So So guys, it's time to store this. I'm going to use a traditional bottle, storage bottle. If you are Hausa or from the north, you will know this humra bottle. So guys, this is it. This is really less than 1 week worth of use, or 1 week worth of use. That is why, if you also notice, I did not use a preservative. Sometimes I decide to use different oils, you know, I decide to use different kind of ingredients. Maybe sometimes I use clay if I want, depending on what I actually want out of it. You know, this is for moisturizing purpose, because I'm just recovering from COVID and my skin has just been dry, and I really want to like build back my moisture on my skin. So I hope you guys have enjoyed this tutorial today, and I hope you're going to try it. This is it, looking very beautiful in this bottle. Thank you all so much for watching. If you have enjoyed this tutorial today, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe if you have not. See you in my next video. Bye and stay blessed, and please share my videos and follow me on Instagram. That is really important, as I'm looking to grow my Instagram account to 5,000 followers.
It's like a family tree.